Hey Glamour and Sugaries, what's up? It's me, Cherry. Welcome to another episode. We're gonna have a party today. I guarantee you're going to have fun. Why? Because it's my birthday week. Yay! So I'm excited. Are you gonna tell me what we're doing today? Okay, if you want, I'll tell you. We're making some of the most decadent chocolate bars that you've ever tasted. Made with sexy Colombian dark and white chocolate, as well as blinged out with edible gold leaf, these bars are fit for any special occasion, but I'm using them for party favors. So get your decorating skills ready, because we're gonna decorate till we drop. First off, I want to say thank you so much to all you guys who are supporting me, and for my birthday, we have hit 400 subscribers. I'm so happy and so honored to have you all supporting me, and I really appreciate it. To make me even happier, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below, and also tell your family and friends to watch with you, because we do glamorous and unique baking. Also, hit that notification bell down below so you can be notified when I come out with a new video. What is the origin of the chocolate bar? Well, Joseph Fry was the first man to ever press chocolate into a mold, and that was in 1847. Then, in 1866, he created the world's first mistake. No, he created the world's first candy bar, which was called the chocolate cream bar. Does that sound dreamy or what? Okay, so what do we need? Check out my table and we'll figure it out. I know, chocolate really matters. The quality of it matters. So I bought this on Amazon. It's called Cordillera. It's Colombian chocolate, and I know it says 65% cacao, and you would think that would be a little bit bitter, but OMG, this chocolate is amazing. You have to get it. It's not that expensive, and they give you this whole big bag so you can just sit by the TV and like munch it. Also, we're gonna make some white candy bars because they show up really pretty with all these designs on them. You can use candy melts or your favorite white chocolate. What else are we gonna put? Take a look. We're gonna do freeze-dried blueberries. We're sticking with a blue theme here. Why? Because that's my favorite color, baby. We're gonna put sprinkles in it. And what did I do with the freeze-dried blueberries? They are actually yummy and tart. I crushed them up and they look this beautiful powder. And then we're also gonna use some Oreos, because I love those. Sprinkles and disco dust, because we're gonna disco the night away. And of course some 14 karat gold leaf, which is edible because we gotta bling that baby out. Last but not least, we need the chocolate molds. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can get these. They're on Amazon. They're really cheap and they're so fun. And I got a big one. Look, you can break it into little pieces once you're done. Look at these patterns, they're so awesome. And then there's these baby ones, which I love, and I've seen people put these in cupcakes and cakes, and I cannot wait to make those. You're also gonna need a palette knife to spread out the chocolate and smooth it over, as well as a paintbrush that's used only for edible things to spread our glitter. Put your floppy silicone molds onto a sheet tray or something solid, so it'll make it easier once they're filled to put them in the fridge or the freezer. First things first, we're gonna pour our chocolate into our lovely bowl here, however much we think we need here. Now don't feel like you have to have this exact chocolate. You can use chocolate chips too. So you want to set up your double boiler, which just means you need a smaller pot with water in it that you're heating up to a small rolling boil. But then you're going to keep it on a simmer. The reason why I like a smaller pot is because it does not encompass the whole bowl and it won't cause condensation to come up all the way on the bowl. It'll stay on the very bottom. But you set that on there and then you just slowly Melt this chocolate until it turns into smooth liquid chocolate. Now once it's mostly melted, you can actually take it off of this because the heat from the bowl itself will melt the rest of the chocolate. Make sure you have your oven mitts ready so that you don't burn yourself. Okay, we have most of this melted. We're gonna turn this off for now. And as you can see, there's a little condensation on the bottom, so we're gonna take it over to a paper towel or a towel, and we're gonna wipe that off so that we don't have that dripping into the chocolate. We do not want any water in the chocolate. It will cause it to seize up and be a very weird texture. All right, so if you take the temperature of this chocolate, it should be between 114 and 118. And now, in order to temper it, we want to take some non-melted chocolate, which will bring the temperature down to about 88, 89. And then it will be ready to pour. All right, it's perfect temp. Now we can start pouring. To get the chocolate molds ready, all you have to do is wash and dry them and make sure they're fully dry with no little droplets of water. You don't need to spray them with any cooking oil or anything. How exciting! We are going to start with some of the luster dust, which is edible here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some on these molds by just dipping my paintbrush in and just kind of putting it where I think it might look good. Right. Here's that beautiful blue. We can just sprinkle some on there. We also have to do a little bit of dust here in the little ones. It's too much in that one. Don't go crazy with the dust. Time to pour the chocolate. We're not going to fill the chocolate molds all the way because we need some room to put our other items in there, like our cookies and our blueberries, and it's going to push the chocolate up. Now take your offset spatula and just spread it out to even out the bar there. Wow, this smells divine. It's so nice. It's like being in a chocolate factory. At this point, you want to clean off your palette knife and scrape off the little bits of chocolate that are on the edge to clean up the bar and make it look beautiful. You want to shake it just a little bit and get all the air bubbles coming to the top and also smooth it out down there in the bottom. This is fun! I am a chocolate maker. Okay, now before it sets, we want to get to our other things here. Let's make one with some Oreos in it. Take those Oreos and break them into pieces, making sure to push them into the chocolate. Now add those tart, freeze-dried blueberries. Here I'm adding crushed up freeze-dried blueberries. And here a beautiful array of multicolored sprinkles. I decided to use some chocolate chips too, so we're gonna put some chocolate chips in this one. Let's do a cool little pattern on this one. Next line is gonna be blue sprinkles. Whoa. Blueberries in this line. Push them in a little bit. Get in there, you bluebellers. And then sprinkles at the end. Let's move on to the small ones. Make sure to smooth them out with your mini spatula and clean them up. Now melt your white chocolates. These are candy melts, so we can use them right away after we melt them because they do set a lot faster. So one little tip, if you wanted to color your white chocolate, you do need to add a little bit of vegetable oil to it so that if you use food gel color, not oil-based color, but food gel color, it won't cause the chocolate to seize because you already put some oil in it. I'm just keeping mine white though. Just be careful though, this white chocolate can burn fairly quickly, so you don't want to heat it too high. You want to do it very slowly. Remember, there's condensation. We have to wipe that up. You don't want any water in the chocolate For the white chocolate, we have to use it right away. It's not as cooperative as the dark chocolate there, so we do have to work a little bit faster. We're going to decorate this one before we move on to the next bar. Use your creativity. Drizzle some white chocolate followed by dark chocolate, then spread it out and smooth it. Add drizzle, and then use a toothpick to swirl. What pretty designs. Time to chill in the fridge or freezer for at least 30 minutes or until solid. Coming out of the freezer, they look like exquisite edible art. I can't believe how beautiful and unique each piece is. Now we need to slowly and carefully pull off the silicone mold. Even the front looks so beautifully defined. Even the small ones picked up that glitter beautifully. Time to unmold the white chocolate one. Ooh. I love how the Oreos just stick out on it. Okay, you're seeing the front before I am. Whoa, how cool. I love the shape of this one. The little pieces that you can break off there. I just want to eat this one right now. It's so cool. Look at that. Last part, we're going to hit it with some edible gold leaf. You can get this online. I'll put the link below. Just open that up and they come in little envelopes. Okay, if you get it on your gloves, it will get on your gloves. But you can put a little bit on a paintbrush and just brush it on. And it will melt in there usually. There you go. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how cool these turned out. So 3D and artistic. Wow. You know what it looks like to me? A phone case. One of those phone cases with the plaster. It looks like you can eat the Oreos. So neat. Look at this. Beautiful. I hope you guys get a chance to make these at home. You don't have to bake anything. They're very simple to put together. And they look like little masterpieces. So fun. If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up to like my video, subscribe, and also share my video with all your family and friends. This is a delicious one to share. I can't wait to eat it. Time to taste the chocolate. You guys know white chocolate. It's got that little bit of sweetness and so much creaminess. Definitely love the white chocolate. Let's try the Cordillera. Super scrumptious, hint of sweetness that I absolutely love, but it's not too dark where it's so rich and just too bitter. It's not like that at all. Definitely, I totally recommend it. You guys made my birthday so special today. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope to see you again next time. Bye.